Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the shadow in the Pixlr app. If you don't know how to add the shadow effect to your photos using the Pixlr app, then this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Pixlr app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one photo that you want to edit. After choosing the photo, here you can find the option of tools. Now select it. Then tap onto the adjustment button right here. Then scroll to your right until you find the option shadows. Now go ahead and select it. Then simply slide the slider to your left or right to add the shadow effect to your photo, just like this. Now you can see the effect has been added. And after that, simply tap onto the check mark. And that's it. This is how you can add the shadow in the Pixlr app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.